Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English listening practice.
Today, in our lesson, we are going to practice simple daily conversations.
We will learn how to introduce ourselves and talk about different topics in English. These conversations are very common in real life.
Try to listen carefully and repeat after us.
Let's start with introductions. Hello, my name is Dave. What is your name?
Hi, Dave. My name is Daisy. Nice to meet you. Where are you from, Dave?
I am from New York. What about you?
I am from London.
That's wonderful. It's always interesting to meet people from different places. Daisy, where do you live now?
I still live in London, but I moved to a new apartment last year
Why did you move?
because I wanted a bigger place and a quieter neighborhood.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my sister.
Do you enjoy living with your sister?
Yes, we get along very well. We share the rent and help each other.
That's good. Is your apartment far from your workplace?
No, it takes about 20 minutes by bus.
That's convenient.
What about you? Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment with my wife.
How many rooms does it have?
It has 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, a kitchen, and a small balcony.
Do you enjoy having a balcony?
Yes, we like to sit there in the evening and drink coffee.
That sounds very relaxing. Dave, what do you do for a living?
I work in sales at a company.
What are your daily tasks?
I answer emails, call clients, attend meetings, and prepare reports.
That sounds busy.
Yes, sometimes it is stressful, but I enjoy communicating with people.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 8 years.
That's a long time.
Yes, I've learned many things. What about you? What do you do?
I work as an assistant manager.
What are your responsibilities?
I organize schedules, help my team solve problems, and manage projects.
Do you like being a manager?
Yes, I like leading people and making decisions.
Do you want a higher position in the future?
Yes, I want to become a general manager one day.
That's a great goal. Are you studying now, Daisy?
Yes, I am studying business management at the university
Why did you choose business management?
because I want to improve my leadership and communication skills.
That makes sense. What did you study? I studied marketing when I was at university.
Did you enjoy studying marketing?
Yes, I did. It helped me understand customers better.
What year are you in now?
I already graduated 10 years ago.
I am in my final year.
You must be excited.
Yes, but I am also nervous about exams.
Don't worry. If you study hard, you will do well.
Thank you for the encouragement.
What are your plans for this weekend?
I plan to visit my parents and have dinner with them.
That sounds lovely. Do you see them often?
Yes, I try to visit them once a month.
Family time is very important. What about you?
I want to relax at home and watch a movie with my wife.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
I prefer romantic movies and documentaries.
Maybe we should recommend movies to each other.
That's a good idea.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books and going for walks in the park.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I like playing football and listening to music.
That's great.
It was really nice talking to you today.
It was nice talking to you too.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Bye.